Hey, 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 hey! Captain Chris Johnston here. How y'all doing? I'm fired up. I'm excited. Um, I think you all know why, but let me get one webinar out of the way first. Tonight at 8 o'clock is Ron Hobart and Lynn Nakamoto's webinar. Tells a really good turnout. I will post that link later on my Facebook. It's also going to be put in the back office. It'll also be on Cherry's Telegram or WhatsApp group where he posts all those things. Why am I excited? Well, if any of you missed the webinar yesterday, that is now posted in the back office under recorded webinars. I urge all of you that missed it to go watch it. Here they come. Sabias, what's happening amid? Pretty amazing. I've been telling you guys it's coming. A lot of you gave me a lot of text messages and emails today. Chris, you weren't lying. Absolutely, I wasn't lying. I've been telling you since last October. Some people have been telling you since 3 years ago. Ash had said I will repeat what Marty and Red said. It was simply the best webinar I've ever seen him do. He touched on every single point. I think he put a lot of people in their place, and we all know what's happening in October. Founder, how you doing? Passive owner, how you doing? I'm great. Steven, what's happening? Prefab, Sharon, how you doing? Robert Tantula, you got 5 minutes. I'll hurry up. Hi, my beautiful sister Diane Lennon. Oh, who else is on here? All right, so guys, if you were on that webinar, you heard and seen what Ash Mafara was saying, and now you understand why I am the way I am, why Marty, why Red, and the rest of you are excited. I told you guys listen to what he has to say yesterday, and he said it all. All right, I can't tell you how I would love actually for all of you to get back in the community in the back office and make some comments. Tell Ash how appreciative we are, because he's gone through some rough times the last couple months. Him being sick, everything just going on, and he basically put it all together, and he let you know, as I say, what's coming, okay? And if you're not excited, hey, Jason, what's happening? Deanna, there, thank you, Ron. Ron posted his webinar also in the comments. Betty, what's happening? If you're not excited about what's coming here soon, man, you need to check yourself, all right? Check yourself, because if you're not in this, and I've been telling all you people out there that don't believe me, it's coming. Check it out, man. If you're not checking this out now, folks, you're truly going to miss something amazing. It's going to be a history maker, and I've been letting you all know for a long time that this is happening. It's coming. Got a lot of people out there. Yeah, right, Chris. Hey, that's okay. That's okay. We love the believers. We love the people that have 100% belief in this company. And yesterday it was laid out for you. And now you understand why I'm a nut job. Now you understand why we don't sleep. All right? When he comes out with information like that for this family, I don't think any of you should have slept last night. I know I didn't, as you could well see. Ron Hobart, I was so excited I had to take 3 nitros. That's funny, Ron. Hey, Con, how you love you too? Hemp, what's happening? So, guys, go check that webinar out. It is in leadership, back office, not in leadership, under recorded webinars. Do not share. You can't share that one, but Dan Street, Peter Schur wrote some excellent notes that's there in the leadership council area. We had some people post those out. Please don't do that, folks. There is a warning on there saying that, we don't post things out of the back office that's private. Some of you have. Please don't do that. Ash explained to you why we shouldn't do that. All right, he was real specific on that. He broke down things yesterday. He hit everything on the head, and it was an amazing thing. He talked about our little private webinar the day before, which he called us all out on, and I'm extremely proud of this guy. You have no idea how proud I am. He went out and he told people exactly the truth. He was honest, transparent, as he always is. and you better be excited. Because if you're not excited, I'm going to come right to your house, and I guarantee you I'll get you excited. So it's just cool. It's hard to even talk today for me. And that said, Ruth, what's happening? David Switzer. You don't see me, David? I don't know what's going on with your computer. Timothy Dillon, what's happening? But man, you guys, if you're not in this right now, one of my friends texted me today, what's coming, Chris? Onpassive's coming. And if you're not involved in it, if you keep shutting off my lives and you haven't heard what I've been saying to you, you're truly going to miss out. All right, $97 to join a multi-billion-dollar company. You will all find that out when we launch, and you are going to be amazed at what it's going to do for your life. It's going to build you a legacy, folks. It's going to build you a legacy. It's the most positive company I've ever seen, and I'm part of it. We got 900. I don't know what we have today. Someone knows, write it in there, but it's a lot of people that are joining every single day. Ron, his guest speaker today is Bayo Alusana, if I pronounce it right. He's from Nigeria. So make sure you get on that one. Who else? Timothy Dillon. Jim, how you doing, Jim? Yes. You guys read the comments below. All right, we have some pretty amazing founders in here, and you guys understand what he said and what's happening in the month of October. And I'm letting you know again, folks, get in this. You could PM me. I'll send you a link. If someone decides to share this, send them a link to them. Ask about Onpassive. Is Bill Musk on here? Someone tag Bill Musk if he's not on here. Someone write Bill. Let me see if I can do it. Where is Bill? My Billy. Bill Musk. Where are you? I want to do a huge shout out. I got to have a conversation with the one and only Timmy Johnston. We had a group of us on the phone last night. Timmy Johnston, it was real good to hear your voice. And just a great guy. All the things he'd done. And the Johnston family. All right? The Johnston family, when you hear that, that's about Timmy Johnston's family. All involved in Onpassive since the beginning and have done amazing things for this company and just popped it out there. Oh, who am I missing here? Pam Turner, what is it? 917,300. Thank you, Pam. Debbie Morgan Goebel out on that boat probably. Amit, thank you for that number. It's just amazing, guys. As you can see, I'm excited. I had a rough week. You know, my mom's boyfriend of 15 years, he passed away Wednesday. I was with him. My daughter was with him. We got to hold his hand as he went. It was a sad thing, but it was also beautiful to watch that. And I've had some bumpy roads the last couple weeks with some family, but that's okay, because I know one thing that's kept me up and going is Onpassive, and my friends I've made on here from all over the world. I'm so appreciative of all you guys. You guys keep this going. It's nonstop. Red Fern, Marty DeGarmo have kept me excited more and more each day, listening and talking to them, and that's always fun. Zoltan, what's happening? But guys, listen to me. Get out there and start sharing this. You all know what's coming. Yeah, it's a great thing to go talk to people about. If they say no, they say no, but I promise you they'll get in after we launch. Why? Because they're going to be able to make residual income for doing nothing. I don't know how many times I got to say that. If you're not plugged into this Onpassive thing, you are surely going to hear about it. And then you'll understand why I do what I do and why everyone else is doing this. So, if you have a birthday today, happy birthday. I'm going to call out P&G again. 46 years independence. Happy birthday to you. David Bukau and the wonderful team over there. Nancy, Veronica. Oh my God. Joe, Fred. You guys were amazing the other night, by the way. All my friends out there, not just in Onpassive world, but personally, hey man, get in this, guys. I've been telling you, you got to at least check it out. If you come in and see what I'm talking about, you'll get it. All my team that has been patiently waiting and being very good, I think, it is coming. Now's a good time to start signing up your kids, your moms, your dads, your uncles, your aunts. Get them in this. If you got the extra funds, you can actually get them a position. They don't even have to know about it. All right, you could do a surprise after we launch, and hand it over to them. It's an amazing thing what you can do. But I'm absolutely nuts right now. You just don't see it, but I am crazy. That was the best webinar I've ever seen. But get in the community, guys, in the back office. Let Ash know how much we appreciate what he's done, and it's coming. All I can say, it's coming. Have no doubts. If you have a doubt, send me your email. I'll get you a refund. Do I want you to do that? Heck no, I don't. All right. A lot of people out there watch me every day and think I'm just some crazy guy, and I'm not crazy. I know exactly what I'm doing, and so does 18,000 people because they saw it, they believe it, and now they really know what's coming. So I got to get going. Once again, happy birthday if you have a birthday. I know I have a friend I worked with for years. Sharon, it's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. I really wish you get in Passive. She's a retiree with her husband, Brett. If you're sick, we're praying for you. Shout out to my buddy whose kids came home with COVID symptoms, praying for them. And let's just keep those prayers going. Let me see if I missed anyone's name. Alak, how you doing? Ooh, Mazhurul Islam, how you doing, buddy? No, I'm no superhero. What we are is we're changing lives, folks. All right, I'm a person that really does care about people, humanity, and I'm following what Ash has said from the beginning, that he truly just wants to change things that are wrong in this world. He's done it. You'll find that out soon enough. Boy, a lot of things I want to say, but I can't. But if you check out the back office and check out that video, you're going to be amazed. I want to say congratulations to all the people that have been joining. Oh my God, a ton of you in the last month. Congratulations and welcome to this beautiful family. You changed your life. You just don't know it yet, but you soon will. And everyone out there who have watched me or just turned me off, I'm suggesting you PM me, and I will send you an invite link for $97 to get into a multi-billion-dollar company, ground floor. You are going to be in the history books. I guarantee it. Of Onpassive, it's going to be worldwide, and you will know about it. I can promise you that. You will know about it. It's going to be the greatest thing that was ever launched to the world. Man, are you going to be like, man, Chris wasn't lying. I don't lie. Okay? When I say it's coming, when I've been saying it's coming, I'm telling you the truth. All right? So I want you founders, get out there, share it with your families. Share it with someone that needs help. All right? We are going to change everything bad that's in this world. All right? No more kids walking miles to get dirty water. Clean water. We're going to fix homelessness. We're going to do amazing things with Onpassive. And a lot of you people say, yeah, right. Well, I'm telling you, it's coming. I got to go. It's a beautiful day in Michigan. Absolutely beautiful. I know Sherry Dersiewicz is coming in Saturday. I'm going to try to get there. I don't know if I can. But Peter Schuer and some of the Michigan folks are going to meet up in Dearborn. It should be a lot of fun. I'm going to do whatever I can to get there for a live with them. But that's what it's about, guys. It's about connecting. And start sending me where you live, what country you're from, even after I'm off. We want to start collecting data where people are, and you know what's coming in October. I don't want to talk about it right now, but if you watch that video, you'll understand. It's coming. Hey, 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 hey. It's coming. And, man, I'm telling you, just get in this, folks. That's all you got to do. All right. I love you all. Make those comments in the back office. Tell Ash how appreciative you are. I know I am. And let's go out and change some lives today, folks. I'll see y'all later. Bye. Bill Must, if you're not here, let me check if Bill ever got on here. I forgot to text him. I know Bill Must will be making a YouTube. This will be shared on my Facebook. Bill Must goes out and does a YouTube on my lives. I don't share this out until Bill does that YouTube, but please check out Bill Must's YouTube channel. He does amazing things along with John White, Timmy Johnston. Shout out to the Barbershop Quartet, I call him, over there with John White, and we love you all. Timmy Johnson, it was awesome talking to you last night, man. All right, we'll see y'all later. It's coming!